My first customer received a shadow box. She came into the shop, and it was just cool because you could look around in the room at all of the people who had a hand in making it, and she was just so grateful and just really moved by it. And so it's pretty cool to see how much impact it has.
Usually the customer does. We try to cater to everybody's needs. Some customers will, I'm not very creative. That's fine. What kind of idea do you have?
I'm blessed to work here, and I just look forward to our future here for sure.
Really a special feeling to know that what we're making is going to honor someone who dedicated their lives to service, and to show them that honor and to be a part of that process is just, it's very humbling.
It's awesome to take what you like. I mean, because I love woodworking, I love running the routers. That opportunity to turn into not just a business, but a business that's growing at such a rapid pace.
It feels nice to be able to be part of this, able to get these and showcase the medals and stuff.
I mean, we do 3 times as much business in a month as we did our first year combined. And that's no exaggeration at all. I mean, we're already doing twice as much business as we did last year, and which was twice as much as the year before that, which was twice as much as the year before that. So it's, yeah. With our progression from day one to now, obviously, we've got much more experience. We've got much better equipment, all that stuff. Everybody says, hey, invest in yourself, invest in yourself, invest in yourself. We really took that to heart, but not just like, hey, I want to make myself richer kind of heart, but more like, I want to make better. I don't want to just make you a good shadow box. I want to make like the shadow box beyond what you could even envision.